under. 31, Lighthouse, white. Berkeley Ice, green. 42, Berkeley Reserve, white. Messenger Life B, green.
Hello, hello, hello. Ayun na. Hawak ng Berkeley. Di-dribble Berkeley. Sumalaksak. Diretso. Foul. One shot. Free throw. Intes. Miguel with the rebound. Pinasa kay Joseph. Joseph fake. Saksak. Nabitawan. White ball. Inbound. Duke, dumedepensa. White, what a fake. Foul by Miguel. Walang Berkeley. Pinasa, number 1. Sumalaksak. Berkeley. Stolen by Miguel. Outside. Jake dumedepensa. Out of bounds. Gusto pa maglaro. Inbound by Duke. Duke pinasa kay Jake. Uy! Binato si Duke. Number 4. Uy! Good D. Sina. Tromes, Mintes. Jake with the rebound. Pinasa kay Duke. Pinasa kay Miguel. Diretso. Kaso wala. Tumiran 3. Mintes. Number 1 with the rebound. Parang tinatamad na ako magganto. Number 3. Pinasa kay 4. Pinasa kay 1 for 3. Mintes. Number 1. Miguel, may hawak ng bola. Sumaksak. Pinasa kay Duke. Sumalaksak. Duke. Stolen. Binigay kay Miguel. Mismatch. And 1.
7-0 pa lang.
Ang tatangkad ba naman kasi nila? Miguel, first free throw.
5 minutes.
Good. May hawak ng bola, number 4. 4 pinasa kay number Ubilio. Kay Ubilio. Miguel may hawak. Easy layup. Number 4. Number 4 may hawak. Walang mapasahan. Ubilio may hawak. Foul. Substitution. Dumudugo ba yung bibig ni Jake? Diretso. Foul. Bigay mo to, oh. Bigay natin. Parehas naglalaban SLU Berkeley. Jake, dire-diretso. Foul. Uy.
Saan ba yung chicks si Jake?
4 minutes.
Free throw ba? Aldon Jake. First shot. Basket.
Yan dumadaan pag nakakasip sila.
Number 2, dire-diretso.
Oo naman!
Namintes. Rebounded by number 2. Duke may hawak. Dire-diretso. Pinasa kay Joseph. Foul.
Grabe, 11-0.
Sep. Free throw. Pass. Mintes. Rebounded by Jake. Pinasa kay Duke. Duke. Sumaset. Duke dumiretso. Duke. Foul by number 2. Bonus shot.
3 minutes.
3 minutes remaining. Duke with a bonus shot. Mintes. Rebounded by Joseph. Binigay kay Duke. Duke pinasa kay Joseph. Joseph for 2. Mintes. Jake. What a pass. Mintes ulit. Pasok by Joseph. Obilio. Number 4. Hook shot by number 4. Jake, may hawak ng bola. Dinere-diretso. Hinagis yung bola. Bakit hinagis yung bola? Obilio for 3. Mintes. Joseph with the rebound. Pinasa kay Duke. Pinasa kay Jake. Foul by number 4. Bonus shot. Time out by SLU Cubs 8.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. Ano score kaya nila? Last 2 minutes. Bonus free throw by Jake. Jake, bonus free throw. Hinarangan ng referee. Mintes. Miguel with the rebound. Easy basket. Jake nawala sa bantay. For 3. Mintes. Naglalabas. Set play. Duke may hawak ng bola. Binigay kay Miguel. Miguel sumalaksak. Miguel pinasa kay Jake for 3. Mintes. Rebounded by Duke. Saved by Duke. Substitution. Joseph for Jake. Last 1 minute. Duke. What a shot by Duke. Rebounded by Miguel. Rebounded by Joseph. Rebounded by Miguel. Easy basket. Stolen by Miguel. Pinasa kay Joseph. Easy shot. Counted. 15-1. Number 2, tumira, Mintes. Joseph, pasok.
Nasa kabila na si Coach.
20 seconds remaining sa kabila. All ata dun eh.
10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Hindi ka na nagawa.
Oh, wait lang. Doon tayo manood. Berkeley nanalo sa kabila. Nanalo Berkeley. Championship game between SLU versus Berkeley. 3x3 Milo Best. Mananalo pupunta sa Clark, Pampanga. Let's go. First possession, Berkeley. Number 4, pinasa kay Katanglan. Katanglan may hawak ng bola. Jake dumedepensa. Katanglan nakalusot. Huli by Miguel. Miguel may hawak ng bola. Sumalaksak. Foul. Foul by number 4. Good sportsmanship. Number 2 may hawak ng bola. Sumenyas, binigay kay Miguel. Miguel pumunta sa kabila. Miguel, floor shot by Miguel. Joseph with the rebound, pinasa kay Jake. Jake sumalaksak. Jake, nice pass to Miguel. Mintes, binigay kay Jake. Nice one by Eldon Jake. Jake, wow. Miguel stolen, kaso outside. Miguel may naglalabas. Number 4, Katanglan. Jake with the good D. Jake with the good defense. Jake with the good defense. Good D. Good D. Setting the play by Eldon Jake. Eldon Jake sumalaksak. Stolen. Berkeley ball. Number 4 may hawak. Stolen. White ball, white ball. White ball, white ball. Miguel. Libreng-libre. Top board by Miguel. Stolen by Miguel ulit. Loose ball, loose ball. Jump ball. Bola ng SLU.
8 minutes.
SLU the ball. Joseph may hawak ng bola. Joseph pinasa kay Miguel. Miguel may hawak ng bola. Dire-diretso. Panis. Eldon Jake with the steal. Pinasa kay Miguel. Nice pass. Nice shot by Miguel. Second chance effort by Miguel. Stolen by Jake. Jake may hawak. Jake. Behind the back. And one. Sayang. Bonus free throw by Eldon Jake. Jake. Nice shot. What a fake by Berkeley, number 3. Number 3 may hawak. Pinatay ang bola. Ang taas ni Joseph. Pinasa kay Miguel. Miguel isolation. Pick and roll. Miguel dinere-derecho. 4 shot. Miguel with the rebound. 4 shot. Pero okay lang. Babawi. Number 2 for 3. Mintes. Outside. Miguel. Substitution by Duke. Jake may hawak ng bola. Pinasa kay Joseph. Joseph dire-derecho na to. Huli. Duke. Binabantayan. Joseph with the steal. Foul. Nawakan ni Jake Jake bumabantay, number 4. Katanglan may hawak. Dire-diretso. Nice shot by Katanglan. Pinasa kay number 4. Duke may hawak ng bola. Duke behind the back. Duke dire-diretso. Panis! Nice move by Duke. Na-fake si Duke. 3 points by Katanglan. Jake may hawak ng bola. Binigay kay Duke. Duke pick roll. And one by Duke. Substitution, Miguel. Duke bonus free throw. Mintes. Rebounded by Miguel. White ball. Duke binigay kay Joseph kaso hindi nakuha pero saved by Duke. Sep may hawak, Miguel may hawak. Miguel dire-diretso. Big body. Duke may hawak. Duke, nice move by Katanglan. Favorite. Nice move by Katanglan. Miguel dire-diretso. Miguel huli. Duke may time out. Duke dire-diretso. Duke with a move. Nice scoop shot by Duke. Naghanap ng timeout. Huli. Miguel may hawak ng bola. Dire-dire. Ooh! Kaso Mintes. Joseph with the rebound. Katanglan, number 2. Katanglan may hawak. Katanglan dumidiskarte. Walang mapasahan. Stolen by Duke. Hawak ni Miguel. Miguel. Binigay kay Duke. Duke. Step back. Miguel. Isolation.
4 minutes.
Traveling. Nice D by SLU boys. Jake. Defense. Huli. Shot clock violation. Good defense by SLU. Woo! 3 minutes remaining. Pass to Joseph. And 1. 9-4 po ang score, lamang ang SLU.
Panalo yung mukha ni ano. Ay, yung labi niya.
Ni Jake. Okay lang. Joseph with the bonus free throw. Pasak. Number 3 nag-awak. Stolen by Eldon Jake. Eldon Jake in and out. Miguel may hawak. Miguel sumalaksak. Miguel with a move. Sayang. Rebounded by. And 1! And 1 by Miguel Austria. Bonus free throw. Mintes. Rebounded by Miguel ulit. Miguel pinasa kay Joseph. Mintes by Joseph.
Last 2
Green
minutes.
ball. Number 4 may hawak. Binigay kay Katanglan. Katanglan. Jake may hawak. Duke, dire-diretso. What a move! Kaso minagmintes. Rebounded by Miguel. Miguel, kain! Pinasa sa number 4, Mintes. Jake with the effort. Jake may hawak, binigay kay Duke. Duke, dire-diretso. Traveling violation. Halatang halata. And
1 minute.
Jake, stolen by Joseph. Easy basket. No count. Hindi nilabas sa 3.
Bakit abi?
50
Katanglan
seconds.
may hawak. Katanglan, the dribble. What a move. Foul by Eldon Jake.
30 seconds.
40 seconds remaining. Katanglan for 3. Pasok. Miguel may hawak.
30 seconds.
SLU. Jake may hawak ng bola. Jake. What a move! Isa pa. What a pass by Jake to Miguel! Katanglan for 3. Mukhang nice game. Video mo sila. Nice game. Nice game by SLD.
Next day, championship 16 under. Fortune Ulogosu plays